This meal also goes best with a cup of milk. And this is how I would eat it. So take off the big part of the egg, the whites. The yolk is the best part, right? So there are a couple. Okay, yeah. Actually, my hands. They're so good. Don't break the yolk. Take a piece of toast. You can dip it like this. You don't get too much. But if you flip it onto the thing, the yolk breaks and leaks everywhere. It's so good. So good. Go try this right now.